the bed looks so comfortable. You get the bed and you think, oh, I just have to lay here and I'm gonna get all the benefits, which my husband says that if that's all that someone wants to do, they're still gonna benefit. But there's so much more that you can do by coming here to advanced training, because there's only so much you can do for us through the webinars and the online courses. So when you come here, you actually are doing all of this to yourself. There's no better way to learn that than to do it. And so we're doing it to each other. And we feel like every person in our clinic is going to touch the pulse. They're going to touch the patient. They're going to help them. And so they need to know how to do it. And there's no better way to learn that than to come here and do it to themselves and each other. And every one of the girls that we've brought here, every one of the staff members, doctors, we bring all the CAs, all the doctors, they've all walked away going, oh my goodness, I had no idea how much more this piece of technology could do for our patients. And I know this patient could benefit, and this one, and this one. There's so many things.